And then Abel, son of Adam, against Cain, son of Adam. And then Moses against the Pharaoh. And then Muhammad, peace be upon him, against the infidel. And the same thing continued with Hussain and Yazid against him. So realize this fact, that it was not a war between two enemies. Rather, it was a war between right and wrong. It was a war between truth and falsehood. Salawat. We deny and we do not want to associate anyone who causes trouble and terrorism in the name of Islam. Islam does not teach that. Islam, you've been hearing it over and over again, is the religion of peace. Whenever we greet someone, the first thing that we say to that person is Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you. So whoever comes in interaction with us, what are we really telling them? That you are in peace as long as you're speaking to me. As long as you're in my house, as long as you're with me or all over the place, you are in peace. That's what Islam is doing in the nutshell. But we still see aggression in our societies. We still see oppression exist in this day and age. And what is the reason behind it? Lack of unity. We're not united among ourselves. We need to approach all the people and interfaith of other faiths as well, Muslims and non-Muslims. Reach out and tell them to come to our mosques, to come to our Islamic centers, to come to our community centers and see the real Islam, the pure Islam, the Muhammadan Islam that was sent down by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And likewise, we need to make an effort and go to their churches, and go to their synagogues, and go to their mandars to see what their religion is all about and exchange information. And that is the only way we can cause some sort of harmony among us. And we can cause and we can live peacefully ever after. Wassalamu alaikum